In this video, we'll show you how to create captions that display on the screen one word at a time. First, set up your workspace. Go to Window, then Workspaces. Then select Captions and Graphics. Next, if you haven't already transcribed your video, head to the text panel and select Transcribe Sequence. Wait for the transcript to finish before moving on. Once your transcript is ready, go to the Captions tab in the text panel and select Create Captions from Transcript. This opens the Create Captions dialog. Find the Captioning Preferences section and expand it. Under Layout, select Single Word. That's the setting that tells Premiere to generate one word per caption, perfectly synced to your audio. From there, adjust any other settings you'd like: preset, format, style, or timing. Then select Create Captions. Premiere will build out your caption track automatically, one word at a time. Once your captions are generated, you can style them just like any other caption in Premiere.